Madrid, Spain Travel Guide. Madrid, the pulsating heart of Spain, beckons travelers with its irresistible blend of history, culture, and modernity. This dynamic metropolis captivates visitors with its majestic architecture, from the grandeur of the royal palace to the charming cobblestone streets of its historic neighborhoods. The city's vibrant atmosphere is palpable as you wander through bustling plazas, savoring the tantalizing aromas of Spanish cuisine wafting from tapas bars and restaurants. Madrid's cultural scene is equally captivating, with world-class museums like the Prado showcasing masterpieces by renowned artists. Yet amidst the urban hustle, there are tranquil retreats like Retiro Park, offering serene green spaces for relaxation and contemplation. Bienvenidos a Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain. Join us on an unforgettable journey as we explore the rich culture, delicious cuisine, and stunning architecture of this historic city. From its bustling streets to its world-class museums, Madrid offers something for every traveler. So grab your map and let's dive into this Madrid travel guide. Our journey begins at the heart of Madrid, Puerta del Sol, where the city comes alive day and night. Here, you'll find iconic landmarks like the famous clock tower and the symbolic bear statue. No trip to Madrid is complete without visiting the magnificent royal palace. Marvel at its grand architecture, opulent rooms, and stunning gardens as you step back in time to the days of Spanish royalty. After exploring the palace, venture into Madrid's renowned art scene at the Prado Museum. Home to masterpieces by Spanish artists like Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, the Prado is a must-visit for art lovers. Hungry? Head to one of Madrid's bustling food markets, like Mercado de San Miguel, where you can sample a variety of Spanish delicacies, from fresh seafood to savory tapas. Now let's go to best places to visit in Madrid. Puerta del Sol. Puerta del Sol stands as the vibrant heart of Madrid, pulsating with energy day and night. This iconic square, whose name translates to Gate of the Sun, serves as a focal point for both locals and visitors alike. At its center stands the famous statue of the bear and the strawberry tree, symbolizing the city's strength and resilience. Surrounded by historic buildings, lively cafes, and bustling shops, Puerta del Sol is a hub of activity where the rhythm of Madrid can truly be felt. Whether you're admiring the architecture, people watching from a sidewalk cafe, or simply soaking in the lively atmosphere, Puerta del Sol offers an unforgettable taste of Madrid's vibrant spirit. Royal Palace. The Royal Palace of Madrid stands as a majestic symbol of Spain's rich history and regal heritage. This grandiose architectural masterpiece, located in the heart of the city, is one of the largest royal palaces in Europe. With its imposing facade, elegant courtyards, and opulent interiors, the palace exudes an aura of splendor and grandeur fit for royalty. Visitors can explore its lavish rooms, adorned with exquisite tapestries, ornate furniture, and priceless works of art from renowned artists. The palace's sprawling gardens offer a serene escape, with manicured lawns, sculpted fountains, and fragrant flower beds providing a tranquil oasis amidst the urban bustle. As you wander through the halls of this historic landmark, you'll be transported back in time to an era of kings and queens, where every detail reflects the magnificence of Spain's royal past. Prado Museum. The Prado Museum, nestled in the heart of Madrid, stands as a beacon of artistic excellence and cultural heritage. Home to one of the most extensive and prestigious art collections in the world, the Prado showcases masterpieces spanning from the 12th to the 20th century. As you step into its hallowed halls, you'll be captivated by iconic works by Spanish masters such as Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, alongside renowned European artists like Titian, Rembrandt, and Rubens. Each painting and sculpture tells a story, offering a glimpse into the diverse and rich tapestry of human creativity and expression. From the hauntingly beautiful Los Menones by Velázquez to the emotionally charged The 3rd of May 1808 by Goya, the Prado Museum invites visitors on a journey through the evolution of art and the human experience. Retiro Park. Retiro Park, a verdant oasis nestled in the heart of Madrid, offers a serene escape from the bustling city streets. Spanning over 125 hectares, this sprawling park beckons visitors with its lush greenery, tranquil lakes, and enchanting gardens. Originally a royal retreat, Retiro Park is now a beloved gathering place for locals and tourists alike, providing a peaceful sanctuary for relaxation, recreation, and cultural exploration. As you wander through its shaded pathways, you'll encounter a wealth of natural beauty, from centuries-old trees to vibrant flower beds bursting with color. The park's centerpiece is the serene Estanque del Retiro, a large artificial lake where visitors can rent rowboats and paddle around its tranquil waters, offering picturesque views of the surrounding landscape. Retiro Park is also home to several architectural treasures, including the majestic Palacio de Cristal, a stunning glass pavilion that hosts art exhibitions and events throughout the year. Nearby, the Palacio de Velázquez showcases contemporary art in a beautiful neoclassical building surrounded by verdant lawns and sculptures. Plaza Mayor. Plaza Mayor, an iconic square nestled in the heart of Madrid, stands as a timeless symbol of the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Enclosed by elegant red brick buildings adorned with wrought iron balconies, this grand plaza exudes an aura of grandeur and charm. Dating back to the 17th century, Plaza Mayor has served as a hub of social, cultural, and commercial activity throughout the centuries, witnessing royal proclamations, lively festivals, and bustling markets. As you step into the plaza, you'll be greeted by the impressive statue of King Philip III mounted on horseback, presiding over the bustling scene below. Surrounding the square are a myriad of cafes, restaurants, and shops, where visitors can indulge in delicious Spanish cuisine, sip on fine wine, and shop for artisanal crafts and souvenirs. Plaza Mayor is also renowned for its architectural beauty, with its symmetrical facades, elegant arcades, and intricate frescoes depicting scenes from Spanish history. At its center lies the Casa de la Panaderia, historic building adorned with colorful murals that add to the plaza's vibrant ambience. Gracias for joining us on this journey through Madrid. We hope you've been inspired to explore this dynamic city and create unforgettable memories of your own. Hasta luego, and until next time, adios.